So if you're a parent fighting parental alienation and you have a custody battle, you need to know how to fight it. And this is one of the most confusing things about it all. I got this question that was written in on YouTube, and it basically is saying, how come the courts don't care about parental alienation? How come you can't argue it in court? And look, in courts, and every court is different, but generally in the United States, if you say this is causing parental alienation and show that how it's recognized psychologically that it, destroys children's lives and makes them, you know, much more likely to have all sorts of personality disorders, suicidal thinking, all these horrible things that abuse cause, because it is abuse, the courts aren't going to recognize it. So what you need to start showing is what the courts recognize. So this could be something like, and you really need to go through your evidence. You really need to watch your court. You really need to understand your judge, because that's really what it's dependent upon, the statutes and how your judge interprets them. But you need to start looking at, okay, when I go to court, what is this judge ruling on? Is it not called parental alienation or narcissistic personality disorder or narcissistic abuse, but this is neglect in this way? This is parental interference, meaning that you're sabotaging certain things in a repeated way. This is a pattern. This pattern may be needed, or because of this pattern, it might be needed that we have psychological evaluations. These are the ways that you're going to make the case for parental alienation. And if you don't do it this way and you just say this is parental alienation and look at this XYZ it's not going to work. Okay. And I really need you to have this make sense, right? You need to paint it out as these things are causing these, whatever results. And we need things like psych evals. We need things like the courts to step in to enforce certain types of visitation. Those are the ways that you're going to win it. And it's going to take a long time. It's not easy. It's not like winning an online argument. Okay, so you got to understand those things. If you want help with this, give my channel a follow or check out the different resources that I have in my profile. And I'm going to tell you, next week, we're starting a 30-day free video series that breaks down a lot of this stuff, especially if you're a dad looking for help in this.